Good morning and welcome to Born Sucker's Elliott Wave analysis of natural gas, Henry Hub, this morning on September 1st. Happy September, everybody. Thank you to the new subscribers or any subscriber that's subscribed to this channel. Yes, this morning I want to go over the Henry Hub natural gas. We are poised to come into the EIA report here at 10:30 Eastern Time. So here we have the hourly chart. Just want to quickly go over this here. Now, this primary wave, this yellow line here, I've determined that this was 1. After scrutinizing the count down to 3 here, 4, and back to 5, determined this 5 to be a truncated 5, as it did not go past the low of 3. Going forward, we did our ABC correction back into 2, the primary wave 2, and hence there completed the neckline equal to the high of the previous left shoulder, or if this is a shoulder neckline. Going forward, I'll just expand this here. We've got our initial wave 1 down, and then a sharp retrace back, which included a gap here on Sunday. And that was on, let me just make sure I'm still waking up, folks, so bear with me here. Yes, Sunday the 28th at 6 p.m. Eastern. Gapped up an impressive 7.236 extension. So here we got our 1, 2 into 3. This looks to be a leading diagonal, hence the cover, and 4 back up into here. Not a perfect leading diagonal, but that's the only way I could really see how to make it work in this downtrend. Now this last wave 5, which comes into the intermediate wave 1, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the way I got 3 was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another leading diagonal in 3. And then a retrace and straight back down to finish wave 5. Going forward, keep in mind this is the, this is the corrective wave intermediate 2 that we are currently in. This here is A and B, A, B, C, which are likely to have just completed. And prior to the report, in just a few hours, we anticipate C terminating up in this area, either hitting this 200 moving average on the hourly or the 0.382 level, retracement level of the complete wave 1, intermediate wave 1, from its origin of primary wave 2. Going forward, during the report, or not during, it's only going to be about a second once it happens, for a few seconds. As this retraces, it may not retrace completely by 10:30 Eastern, which is what is going to happen The report doesn't matter. This is my firm belief. It doesn't matter what the numbers come out to be, bearish or bullish. It is going to just jump up and complete this, like just a spike up. The wick is probably going to penetrate this 200 moving average, and then it is going to serve as a catalyst to move downward. Now, if we get up there, if we get up there prior to the report and it starts to get a little stagnant, it'll just move up and down, move down slightly to create the first wave 1, and then 2, kind of like a, let me just draw it in. What it'll do once it gets up here, if it's already been achieved prior to the report, wave C, it'll just do this. And then at the report time, I'm going to do this, likely. Now, oh, sorry. I can just go back to my pointer. That being said, now I've got this lovely fib tool here. Let's try to ignore all the other fib lines. Let's say that is the low, or the retrace. This is where the retrace is going to terminate. And I can just find it here. Here's the end of wave 1, right here, originating at the C, originating at wave B, the super cycle wave B, or cycle wave B, as I've called it. Anticipate let's say it went up to here. Let's say the whippiness of the report even went up into 0.236% retrace of this previous wave 2, or rather 1, not 2. It's from the origin of 2. I anticipate wave 3 terminating down here somewheres at the 1.618 level, or even further. But that makes sense right here at the 1.618 level. It would be symmetrical with this left side prior to the shoulder. So that's what we can expect here, folks. Wave 3 terminating down here of the primary. After intermediate does a little bit of jostling around and completes. Could see this end today by end of day market close. And then anticipate a sharp retrace. Excuse me. Thought I had to sneeze there. Anticipate a retrace here by market close, or over the next few days. Probably by next Wednesday, I imagine. I'm probably going to get there. And then this will come down over here. However, that being said, this does look to be a head and shoulders. However, if that move, However, if that move does not play out and it spikes up, then that means the head and shoulders formation is invalid. My count is incorrect, and it is going in some other direction I do not know. But I don't think that that's going to happen. I can tell you with about 90% certainty that it is going to drop down into this area here somewhere. I'm not going to get into the fundamentals as those tend to lead many traders astray. That's not where we want to go. Anyway, that's what I've got for you this morning. If something changes prior to the report, about 15 minutes or so, I'll be watching, and I will put out a new video. Oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and like, comment, share, subscribe, and also join my Discord community. Last evening, we had a very good discussion about what's to happen. I just basically went over this in a little more detail as to what to expect for the EIA report, and a little bit more discussion on some other vehicles in order to earn money and even hedge your bets. We've got some really good, interesting characters in the community that all willing to contribute and share and help everyone to learn and master not just Elliott Wave and Fibonacci's, but trading in general. So please, I'd like to see you in there if you're interested at all. It's free for you. The details are in the description box below. The address for the Discord server and the link to download Discord, completely free for you. Thank you very much, and hope you have a great morning and make some money. Ciao.